leaving my comfort zone. Research, research, research. That's something that I found is very important. If you're leaving your comfort zone, that means you're going into territories that you have never gone before. So I'm going into territories that I have not gone before, and so research is one of the most important things that you can do. Now, in this episode, I'm showing Dutch ovens. I had no idea what a Dutch oven was, or needless to say, a Dutch oven that's used for camping purposes. Cast iron, something that you can put on top of a hot fire, logs, flames, and cook your food. Okay, so this is the video of me unpacking a 9-quart Dutch oven that I discovered on Amazon. I use a lot of stuff from Amazon. And in the meantime, I pick up a case that I had in the garage. And this is a hard electronics case that's used for shipping electronics equipment. Now this case is going to be repurposed so that I can put items in for my trip out to my land that I purchased. And what it is so I can keep a lot of the small things. See, that's the thing. It can get you with the small stuff. So I want to make sure I have all the small stuff in one location, in one hard case. Hopefully the stuff will not get damaged on my travels over to my land. Okay, so now, on with the video. Okay, so this is me receiving my Prasacco Dutch oven. It's 9 quarts. It costs $59.99, and it comes with a lift handle. Now you see the top can be used also as a skillet. That's the lift handle. And there it is, right there. You see how it has the legs? The legs are designed so we can sit that Dutch oven on a fire, and it doesn't have to sit on its belly. And there's the top. And the top also has legs on it also, so it can be used as a skillet. And there's a keep cool handle. See, that's the lift right there, the lift handle. That's when you have it on the fire. And that's the keep cool handle. Very heavy. Now I learned about seasonings. Now what I did before this part right here is I washed with soap and warm water. I also scrubbed it with a little, some Brillo pad, or a steel wool pad rather, some soap. And after it dried, then I gave it Crisco, which when I was doing some research as far as how to season cast iron, they said that you should use Crisco. At least that's what it was suggested to me. This is something new that I had no idea. And now this is a good shot that you can see how it's good as a skillet. Now the top. Now when you do this, when you season any cast iron actually, you need to be thorough, clean it on both sides, and then here. Make sure you try and get into the pores. Now what I did is I preheated the oven to, I think it was 250 degrees to 300. Yeah, I think it's 300 degrees. And I obviously I put the Dutch oven in and let it cook. I set the timer for about 2 hours. So remember, the oven is preheated. And the idea is to open up the pores of the Dutch oven, of the cast iron, and let the seasonings that you spread on go in. Now in the meantime, I go downstairs and I rummage around in the garage to get my case, my shipping case. Now I picked this case up at the job several years ago. apparently the electronics was gone. They were going to throw the case away. But it seemed like such a great case. It seemed like a shame to waste it. I had no idea what I was going to use it for. But I said, hey, it may come in handy someday. Let me take a look and see how large it is. Then we get it out of there. And it also has wheels. A couple of handles. Now, I know you've seen these cases in airports. They usually ship very sensitive electronic equipment. I'm not going to carry anything that sensitive, but I have the case. I'm going to take it out. I'm going to have to clean it off, clean it inside out, because I just tossed it in the garage when I brought it home from work. Okay, now this is 2 hours later. Obviously, it didn't take me 2 hours to get that skillet working, but now obviously this is hot. So remember, when you're doing this, make sure you wear gloves when you take it out of the oven. And you give it a chance to cool off. Right. I think I show you. Yes, here it is. I'll show you what it looks like. Looks like a good coating. And I think I showed you the how it worked on the inside. How it looks on the inside. My mistake. There it goes. Okay. So now I'll be able to cook. And the food should just slide right off. Wipe it off a little bit and let it cool. Okay, so you saw me season my cast iron Dutch oven. Alright, so and that can be used for any Dutch oven. Now, for those of you who are saying, well look, I've got cast iron stuff and it's terrible. It's got baked on grease that's been there for years. Okay, before I did this, on this brand new Dutch oven, I experimented on some cast iron that I have. Now, what you do is you put it in a microwave. If your microwave has self-cleaning, and you go through the self-cleaning cycle. Once you go through the self-cleaning cycle, it'll burn off all of that grease, and then you'll have a raw cast iron. And that's when you can really see the difference. When you put the seasonings on, the Crisco grease, you stick it in the oven for about 2 hours, and you'll have a brand new pan. Alright, I'm going to show the pictures of it right after this, and that'll be the end of this video. And of course, if you like what you see, please like. And I would love you to join and watch me as I go through leaving my comfort zone.